Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Ray here with another real-time edit. Thanks for joining me on this one. Here's a really cool shot, I think, that I shot out at the Great Salt Lake with Marianne Karen during my visit out there in late September 2021. And so, not totally sure what species this was flying by. I mean, based on shape, I don't know. Let me see if I can find out anything about what this thing actually looks like. Yeah, I don't know, man. Really tough. Really tough to figure out the species of duck on that one. There's a good variety of species out there, and I'm just not good enough to know just species silhouette shape, you know. So in any case, I'm gonna crop it like that. I think I'm probably gonna ditch those back there. I'm gonna go warmer with it to just really embrace that warm tone, and then let's get these black values rich because it was out of the distance, so it was definitely struggling to get some good clarity on the blacks. They were kind of fading out quite a bit. I am going to go down and make sure I check the, where is it, the lens correction, where you at? There we go. The profile, and then I'm actually going to kick up the vignetting just a little bit to kind of even that left corner and a little bit of the right corner out. Um, that's kind of helping it a little bit. There should be a lighter section here in the middle just because that's where the sun was coming down, and you get this soft rainbow on these bokeh effects there, which is pretty cool. So um, I don't know if I drop the highlights, if I get any more in there. Yeah, I do. So I'll leave that and then head on over into Photoshop. See if we can clean up the backgrounds real quick here a little bit. Just going to do some minor removal there. There's a little something back there. And like I said, I'm just going to get rid of these floaters back here. We're hanging in there. Uh, let's see if I just get rid of that with the spot healing brush. And then, yeah, just kind of move the image around to make sure I'm not missing anything. Sometimes that helps me see if I am or if I am not missing anything. All right, so I'm going to go, ooh, ooh, wow. I was going to do that just in one area, but I'm liking that everywhere. And then I'm wondering if I kind of punch back up just around the duck here subtly, if that'll help keep attention over there. See that? So we'll go from that to that. Yeah, wow, I'm really liking this richer version. These sides are still getting just like weirdly a little bit more dark. I'm not sure why. It's just a vignette or if it's just a natural effect of what I was shooting there. But in any case, from that to that, man, I think that's about it, guys. I don't think there's much else to do here. Um, Maybe I can enhance that rimlet glow just a little bit there. So we get a nice tiny brush here. Go with like 3 pixels and just kind of use this dodge layer. Actually, 3 pixels is too much. So we'll go down to 2 pixels and paint that in. Oops, don't need that spot to go any brighter. I'm just going to try and kind of mess that up right there. No, I'm just going to try and enhance. You can see there's already kind of a glow happening there, right? So I just want that to show a little bit more. And then maybe a little bit around these wingtips there. And then a little bit through those wings, right? Just show that off a little bit more. And then I think we're looking pretty good there. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. Nice. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. All right. Before, after. Yeah, that's cool. All right, let me save that. We'll head back into Lightroom. I'll show you the total before and after on this. Not a big change here, you know. Just well, yeah, decent there, you know. But just some cleanup, you know. It was already kind of a minimal image altogether here, and then that just kind of simplifies things a little bit more and richens that color up and really makes that duck stand out like that. And I always love these kind of smeared reflections from the real low perspective that you get there. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to learn more about what I do here and work with me, head on over to rayhennessy.com, go to the workshops menu, and check out the online workshops. That's where you can find out how to learn a lot of this post-processing stuff that I do. So check out the options there. If you want to work with me on an ongoing basis, the mentorship options are great for that. I just redid those and made them all remote. So there's some really good options there. So check that out. Even if it's something you've checked out before, I kind of modified things and it might be a little bit more appealing to you at this point. And then, yeah, if you want to work with me in person, you can always just click on workshops, and you can find out about my group and all day workshops or my anytime workshops where we work one on one together and that sort of thing. So lots of content for you to check out and learn with me on my website. And then don't forget the podcast. I'm having so much fun doing them. The Wildlife Photo Chat Raw podcast coming out every week. Wildlife Photo Chat podcast as often as I can. And yeah, new photos on the website every single day. All right. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.